Give me a moment, chat. What the fuck? Yo, chat. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me, chat? We have no news today. Chat, can you guys hear me? Is the sound okay? Alright, I've missed something today. Yo, what the fuck? I've missed this, bro. Okay, let me just hide this. Alright. So how y'all doing, chat? How y'all doing? Alrighty, bro. Alright, we have taken this slow yesterday. No, we have taken this slow during the London session, I guess. Yep. Now this slow also been taken, and we have this one right here. Alright. All right, we are chat. I think Geo's gonna take out these lows down there. Those are too clean. Yep. Yeah, there's a setup right there. Yep. Maybe like this. Let's look at Euro. These lows are also too clean, chat. You see these two? Those are too clean. If Euro continues lower, I guess uh, it's gonna swap this lows and then continue higher. But overall, I'm bullish on Euro and GU. Yep, I think this GU probably gonna continue lower from here. So we have a fair value gap right there. Damn, bro. I think today and Q gonna take out those highs. Yep. And Q probably gonna take out those highs up there. Where the fuck? Bro, my internet connection is just shit, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay. No, it's okay. Yeah, Chad, I think and Q gonna continue higher from there. How many points? 94 points. Whatever. Let's look at our rate. Bro, what's good? Doing well, bro. Is this gold? No, it's GU. Pound. It's cable, bro. This is pound. Right there, you see. GBP USD. Here is the gold. Gold, gold is in a choppy situation right now. What I'm saying right now, I think it's in a choppy situation. There's no clean price action today on gold. Yeah, there's no clean move today. So stay out of it, bro. Okay, GU's moving. Just check my. You have a position on GBP. Yeah, bro. I took a short trade right there. Though I'm bullish on GBP and Euro, um, I think we not gonna see some upside move today like yesterday. But yeah, let's take what market gives. Yeah, we are on this trade right now. I'll probably take something off when price hit take out those lows and probably keep something to run. But I kind of think like we probably gonna take out these lows and Euro probably gonna take out these lows and we're gonna see some SMT form. We're probably gonna leave the Asian sessions low intact on GBP. That's what I'm looking at right now. But let's see if we can hit this straight. All right, we are almost 1 hour up right now. Euro is more weaker than GBP. I know, bro. But there's no setup on EU. You can't just get into a trade on EU right there while it's gonna take out some low. You have to there's have to be some sort of setup form, right? I can't just get into a trade right here. So I have my objectives on GU. That's why I took the trade on GU. But let's just wait and see. Okay, let me just take this off. Chat, I think we're not gonna take any pullback right there. First we're gonna take out these lows, then we can take a little retracement. I'm not gonna tell you why, but I think that's gonna happen. We might take out these lows first, then probably go up a little bit. If possible, then we might take that low as well. Okay, we're almost up like. Well, I'll probably take something off right now and put the stop loss. Yeah, right here is okay. I just took something off of this trade chat. By the way, chat, I'm not gonna stream for too long today. I have some stuff to do, but yeah, let's see how long I can do this. Yeah, don't want to see any sort of retracement back into that fair value gap, that BC right there. I want to see price first, take out these lows. After that, if we might see some pullback. Okay. Chad, what do you think, Chad? Am I gonna hit this one? Okay, I don't want to see price take that high out, that previous candle's high. Even if price goes back before it even take these lows, I don't want to see that candle's high being violated. Bro, on GU I have something like I think GU's uh, not gonna continue more lower than this. If it goes, I'm probably not gonna look for any setup later, because we have this high right here, the high of the day formed outside of the scale zone, right? So I think we're probably gonna sweep some lows, then gonna move higher like this. Let me just show you that. We're probably gonna take out these lows first, then move higher. Uh, it could be within the New York session. If not, then the London close we have. Then we see the high forms. That's what I'm looking at. So I'm not gonna target too much on this trade. That's why it's a short trade right there. Almost 13 points. The Aussie is strong, is it people? Aussie. Let's give it a look. But I do not trade these two pairs, Aussie and New Zealand dollar. I wanna keep my focus shrinked right now. I don't wanna like focus on too many pairs. Okay, we hit the first target on this trade. Let me just. Okay, chat. Have taken like 80% off of this trade right now, and my stop loss is right over this high. And my last target is this low. This one right here is my last target. Let's see if we can hit that. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and yeah, if you're new here, like always, bro, just sub to the channel, bro. Sub up quickly. We need a hit like 20K before this year ends, maybe more if it's possible. Chat, how many of you watch streams on Twitch? How many of you are on Twitch? Because I just opened up an account on Twitch yesterday. Some of you were asking me to like live stream there also. So, is there anyone who watch like Twitch streamers? Should I do it or not? I think I'll probably trade on both platform at the same time. Yeah. Now I'll probably trade do the live stream on both platform at the same time, bro. Don't worry. I'm not gonna like do the live stream only on Twitch or only on YouTube. Let me just give me some time to set it up, and then I'll probably start streaming on both. How much point did we get from this trade? Okay, we managed to get like 12 points right there. That you will see that what I was talking about, like after we take this low, you will see some pullback. Just keep that in mind, bro. Okay, Euro has taken that low. Euro's probably gonna go for these two low. Yeah, bro. This was right. This was here was nice, like market maker sell model, bro. I would have entered on this short position right there, but it was outside of the kill zone, bro. That's why I didn't enter on that candle right there, bro. Today is a very big news. Where do you see any news, bro? I don't see any news. What are you even talking about, bro? I see one news for CHF, but there's nothing for else. G. Yo guys, put some W's in the chat right now. We hit our target on this trade. NFP was what the fuck? Yeah, NFP was on Friday. Whatever chat we have uh, hit our target on this. How much point was that? It was it was like 16 handles on this trade. Put some W's in the chat right now. Uh, the trade didn't even go in drawdown on this. We hit straight up to the target, bro, without any like retracement. Oh, W, bro. We're doing great, bro. We are doing great. Now I'm gonna leave GU and EU for the rest of the day, but yeah, I'll probably look for setup on other pairs. Okay, USD CAD, look for the this high right there on, yeah, 1.38337. That high on USD CAD, look for that. If you see price continue higher, probably that's gonna be the draw on liquidity. Today 10 a.m. Bro, today is not the NFP, bro. NFP is not today, bro. Today we only had like one news for CHF, one medium impact news for CHF. There's nothing to laugh at, bro. He may be mistaken, but yeah, there's nothing to laugh at, bro. So we had like one news at CHF at 5:50 a. No, okay, 7:50 a.m. Yep, CHF. What the fuck is CHF right now? Uh, yeah, we're at uh, this was the news candle for CHF. Show this guy. It is showing in my trading. What are you? Okay, let me just show you that on the Forex Factory. Wait. I'll show you on the Forex Factory. Do you see that? Do you see that, bro? We had only one news today at CHF. Rest of the news are around like Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So you're probably mistaken, bro. Bro, look at that, bro. Just look at that. We just, I think we've swiped that low. Yeah, we've swiped that low right there. You will see the reactions right now. I'll prove you wrong. What the fuck? Where are you? Why are you guys, bro? It's okay. We all make mistakes. Give me your contact. I'll send you picture. Dear friend. Chat. This is the dealing range from me right now. Fuck. It went off one more time. This right here is the dealing range from me. This is the dealing range for me from this low to that high right there. So that's why I was targeting that low down there, and this was my initial level that price could reverse from there. I mean, we could see some market structure shift, and then go higher from there. That's why I was not targeting any lower objective on that trade. You guys get it? Bro, what collab are you talking about, bro? If there's anything, then DM me or reach out to me through the mail, bro. This is not a place to talk about uh, collab, bro. Yep. Okay, we have taken that high. Okay, we have taken that high out now. This is the initial level I want to see price fall from. Okay, USD CHF taken that high. Damn, bro. Do analysis on US 100. But I do not trade US 100, bro. I can pull up the chart, but yeah, I do not trade US 100. What the fuck, the FXCM one? Bro. Bro, it's clear that we will go higher from there. We'll continue higher and probably gonna take up that high. We're bullish. You can see clearly, bro, we're bullish right now. On the daily chart, we're bullish, also bullish, and we have these highs, that one right there, that big one right there. So yeah, we're bullish, bro. This could be a setup right there if we continue higher from there. Do we have anything clean right now? Once we cross this high, this one right here, once we close above that one, we'll probably continue higher. That's what I can say. Just I can give you like any signals on this right now, but wait for price to close above that high. Yep, that's it, bro. Price just stuck right now on ES and NQ. They're stuck, bro. They're stuck on that position right now. It's probably going to run for the buy side at the 9:30 opening bell. Yeah. Which model do I trade, bro? I can't exactly say that, but first thing I do, I try to figure out the direction of the market, like where it's heading right now. Let me just take this off. So I'll probably not gonna take any more trade for today. I'll make my money, bro. Chad, once we close above this fair value gap on the 5-minute chart, that CB right there, not this one, the bigger one. I think we're gonna change our direction on this setup. Once price close above that, we're probably gonna see some upward movement on GU, and GU gonna be more bullish than EU. Remember that, bro. You trade prop from? Yes, bro. I trade prop and also personal fund. Okay, there's also some order blocks right there. This right here isn't propulsion order block. Did you tap into that? No, we didn't yet. So, okay, we have order block also have some sell side liquidity and we have some upside objective. So we'll probably gonna tap into that and move higher from there. And also the our dealing range, that's our dealing range right there. There are so many confluence right on this. See that? Bro, do your thing. What the fuck are you guys doing, bro? Are you here to learn anything or just uh, do this, bro? If you're here to learn something, then just keep watching, bro. Chat, go and join the Discord community, bro. If you're, you can join the Discord community. It's free to join, bro. All right, we are moving right now. I kind of think like we're gonna push through that fair value gap with speed and probably gonna take out those high. Now confess you were wrong to make fun of me. Bro, I'm going to time out you two. If you do the if you keep doing this one more time, I'm going to time out you guys. Okay, we are probably gonna take one more deep. That I think we're probably gonna go one more time down there and maybe form some sort of SMT like this, like this, with probably on Euro or even DXY. Probably gonna form some SMT right there and then push to upside, bro. Yep. Bro, I'm stuttering like shit, bro. What the fuck? Bro, he will learn by himself, bro. We, even I told you that today is not NFP, bro. We don't have any news today. And you guys still like driving that thing. Alright, that doesn't look good. Bro, be careful to go long on NQ. Wait for the 9:30. I guess waiting for the 9:30 opening is the best choice if you're trading NQ right now. Just wait for the NQ. Wait. You have already missed this move right there. So yeah, just wait for the 9:30. Bro, it's like I'm hitting my head against a wall. What the fuck, bro? Don't grab that shit any longer, bro. Do not drag that shit any longer. Let him be. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. Yeah, I think we gonna go one more time down there and then probably form some SMT with Euro or DXY. That would be the best time to go long if you see that type of price action. Until then, just keep your hands off of the keyboard, bro. Do not go short or long right now. It's not the right time right now. You've already missed this move right down there. Bro, USD cat moved from that level almost like, yeah, almost 11 handles right there. And I'm telling you to watch that high right there. Yeah, that high could be swept, bro. The man, bro. Hello, bro. You guys have some good name, bro. Chat, this right here is more like a market maker buy model. If you want to trade, look for your setup to form within this price. Like, can you remember me, bro? I don't. I think, but I saw you in the chat. Saw you in the live chat uh, earlier, bro. Like on the previous streams, on my previous streams, I saw you couple times. Yeah. I have Nasdaq and Gold Scalper. Yo, are you making money, bro, right now? How's your week so far, bro? Are you in drawdown or in profit right now? Fuck gold, bro. Let's look at NAS. Yeah. No, bro. I want to see NAS go higher today. I don't want to see it continue slower today. Last week, plus tour made 2.5% on NAS. Yesterday, bought up first presentations and closed at 2.5%. Great, bro. Congrats. Still a good afternoon. Good morning, Bernie. How you doing, bro? Bro, I wanna see this shit go right through this high. I have, yeah, I have like four highs on Nash. I wanna see this one right go through this two today. We could see some manipulation like this, while ES gonna take out that low, probably, and Nash gonna fail to go lower, and we're gonna move higher. Long on Nash in small profit. Great, bro. As long as you're in profit, it's all good, bro. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and yeah, if you're new here, do subscribe, bro. Sub up right now. Let's say 20K. By the way, chat, if you wanna check out Atlas Funded, you can go through the link in the description, and yeah, check out their access account. If you where you can like they charge like $5 for a account, and only if you pass that evaluation, you have to pay the full price. So it's like almost only $5 for a evaluation account. Bro, price is just consolidating right now. It's in a consolidation phase right now. I think we're gonna see some manipulation during the 9:30 opening, and then probably we're gonna know where the direction, which direction it's gonna go. It just tapped the 5-minute breaker twice. Bro, this one, my first time hearing that name. That name. Myosopia. Okay. What about ZAR USDT? ZAR. Gold, gold, gold. What the fuck is. Bro, stay out of gold today. Um, Unless you want to get chopped, stay out of gold. Do you have anything right there? Yeah, we're gonna go down one more time. See, we're gonna go one more time down there. If not, there's this fair value gap. We can see a small one right there and also one right here. See, that's what I was talking about for NAS. What the fuck? Bro, why are everyone just quarreling right now in my chat, bro? Why are you guys fighting, bro? Everyone just fighting right now. Does ICT concepts work in JavaScript? If you meant like ICT concept, it does works. Like the best one is the turtle soup entry for gold, like liquidity sweep, then go to the other directions. That thing I guess works, but in term of like time, time and price, then correlation, I don't think they work perfectly on gold. This guy, bro, stop it, bro. Why are you guys fighting, bro? You have traded in gold? No, bro, I do not trade gold. Okay, do we have anything right now? We do not have anything yet, chat. So yeah, wait, just wait. I would price tap into this one right there. Alrighty, alrighty, bro. I wanna see some SMTs with ES today. Now we have this downside CB. I wanna see price keep this CB right there, keep price down there as long as we do not hit that 930 window. Pop, 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 pom, 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 pom. Right, we have to push right now on that CB. That there's SMT with YM on the lows. Is there, bro? US 30, sorry, mistake. Bro, US 100, US 30 has taken out that high. We outlined that high. Damn, bro. Okay, that's why it's now bit consolidation. We see, yep. That's why price is in sideways motion right now. We have taken out that Asian session low on US 30. Did we take out that? No, we did not take out that Asian session low there. The price could go higher, bro. We tapped into a 5 minute fair value gap right there, and uh, took that sell stop. I have an ascent indicator from Brooks that shows them plainly. Bro, if you're using indicators to find out S&P, then you're not training your eyes. Train your eyes, bro. Usually, I do not have these like fair value gaps, nothing on my chart. All right. Chat, uh, keep fighting on the in the chat right now. Give me some time. I'll be back. I think I'm gonna be gone for like 10 minutes. Yep. Till then, watch the market and yeah, do your thing in the chat right now. Yo, chat. I'm back. All right. Yep. What do we have right now? Chat, are you guys done fighting with one another? You guys done? All right. Chat, have you guys taken any trade yet, or like, are you guys in drawdown or took any loss today? All right, I'm done. Bro, my hair is just massive right now. I went to take a bath. Nas hit me twice for a loss. Bro, I told you, bro. I told you to wait for the 9:30 opening. Do not impulsively just take it with control yourself, bro. Okay, we see some SMT with ES on Nest right now. Right, all right, all right. Yeesh. Chat. Now you can see some upside movement in my opinion, I think. I'm looking for next today's celebration. Let's look at GU. Where's GU right now? Yet I told you that GU is gonna tap into that order block one more time. at 1 hour order block right there, and you see that right now. Is there any SMT with like euro or DXY? mm, yep. Chat, if you want to go long, you can go long right now on GU. It's up to you, but I'm not gonna go long right now because I've taken my trade for today, so I'll probably keep my hands off. But if you want to go long, and right now is the moment. The stop loss would be a big one. This is the setup right here. So we have this SMT with DXY, or you can just wait for this 50-minute candle to close. If you see that candle close within that previous one's range and do not cross that low, the current one, you can go long, and you're probably gonna hit that trade. Let me just take this off, but it's up to you. If you wanna go long, right now is the moment. Yeah, we have SMT right here, and this is a OTE level. We tapped into the OTE level so perfectly. We have an order block on the hourly time frame, and we have some higher time frame objectives right there. Yeah, how much point is it? Well, that's 42 pips, bro. That's like 42 pips right there. So if you want to go long, you can. I'm gonna leave that to you. Okay, let's see next. Bro, NAS is just time stalling right now. Give me a moment, chat. Yep. Yeah, we're going down. We can tap into this one, I guess. I want to see some sort of manipulation with ES like this. Yeah, more like this, I guess. By the way, chat, we can also take that low out. There is a high probability that we may take that low, swap that low out, then continue higher. There's a high probability. So yeah, be careful if you want to go long before the 9:30 opening. Just wait for it, bro. Just wait for your setup to form. Bro, this is like, okay, once we close above this high, it's a confirmation that we can continue higher. Once we close above that high on GU, and right now it's hanging around that within that CV right there. That's acting more like a inversion fair value gap for me. I may go long, bro. I kind of feel like I should go long, but I need to control my emotions. I already made some money with the first trade on GU. From here to there, I made some. I'll probably leave it, bro. Even if it moves there, I'll probably leave it. Okay, we're down, going down to that lower fair value gap. Okay, boy, we tap into that one. Bro, what the fuck? See, chat, just look at yourself. See, chat, that's what I was talking about. Told you that there's a high probability that we may gonna take up that low. We probably gonna swap that low and continue higher. I just take this off. Pre-market manipulation. Yes, bro, that's what I was talking about, bro. If we are bullish, we should not go below this low. That Asian sessions low, we should not go below that one. If we are bullish on NAS, we tap into that 15-minute BC one more time. So we swap two times right there. What the fuck? Yes, this right there. Bro, what the fuck? Okay, now I want to see those BCs being respected. Let's see those BC. Right, this one. If we go down, I want to see a tap into that BC right there and go higher. So it's so fucking nice, bro. It's so easy, bro. Already moved like how many handles did we move? Already moved like, yeah, already like 17 ticks from that uh, opening of that down close candle. Yeah, we're gonna crush those highs today probably. Chad, I think we're gonna crush those highs. Let's just wait and see, bro. We have this tiny BC right there. Or we can just go one more time down there and form another SMP with yes. So probably like this or maybe this. Let's just wait for the 9:30 opening and watch. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and yeah, if you're new here, just press the sub button, bro. What are you even doing? Sub up quickly, bro. Okay, now tap into that BC right there. We are nice direction. Guys, do you see this? Do you see this one? It already moved from there. It already moved like 5 pips, I guess. Yeah, already moved like 5 points. So imagine this being hit. It's almost 42 points on this trade, and it's a 1.91 hour trade. Okay, we tapped into that BC right there and closed it. We have this one also. Now I want to see it move. Either it's gonna move right now or it's gonna continue go lower and maybe create some more SMT with ES. Then it's probably gonna go higher. That's what I'm looking at right now. Yeah, bro. Let's go. Chat, either we're gonna continue higher from there or we're gonna go down and maybe swap that low one more time. Unless we take this high out, this high one more time, we gonna continue lower. I wanna see a breakthrough that high. The Nas is not willing to go down, bro. Nas is not willing to go down. We can hit some high today. Chat, give a thumbs up and yeah, sub up, bro. Sub up quickly and put some Davis in the chat right now. Alrighty, bro. You're gonna have your second chance on this trade. Chat, be ready. You're gonna have your second chance on this trade to get in. You, it will form like some sort of SMT down there, right down there with Euro and DXY. Either it's gonna be like this or maybe this. It's gonna give you another chance. Let's go back then to, okay, it's going down. Bro, it's just wasting time right now. Chad, the electricity is gone right now. I'm like a ghost. Chad, I'll probably close, end the stream today, Chad. Yeah, we're almost streaming for like 2.5 hours right now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream. So yeah, I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Till then, yeah, peace out, bro. And yeah, safe trading, bro. Good